Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, this is our third time to feature Calilung Chocolate House. So if you're interested to know more about this business, no, lalong-lalo na ngayon, malapit na po yung Pasko, join us in this video.
So tara, let's go!
Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Calilung, one of the owner of the Chocolate House, Calilung Chocolate House. Una, nagsimula kami sa Mexico, isang maliit na tindahan lang. And then, ayun, medyo lumakas. Tapos nagbukas kami second branch dito sa Angeles, Pangpang. And then, ito yung third branch namin ngayon, mga chocolates like Cadbury, Toblerone, kasi sobrang baba ng price. Tsaka yung mga goodies natin, brownies, yung mga binabalik-balikan nila talaga. Yung address natin dito sa Narciso Street, Malabanias, Angeles City. Operational hours from 9 AM to 8 PM po tayo dito. Monday to Sunday po yan, wala pong diretso po yan.
So nasa loob na tayo ngayon ng Calilung's Chocolate House, and if you notice guys, comparing it with the other existing two branches, no, I think this is
much bigger.
At the same time, I think this is more comfortable, no? One more, I think this is very accessible. This is very near sa Clark, sa Balibago. I think let's check some of the products na available dito. From imported, there are also local goods. So you have picnics, ayan, Pringles. We also saw some chocolates which we are going to taste, guys. Alright, so these are their chocolates, and also yung mga Mars, Toblerone, Cadbury, Kit Kat. I saw some Kit Kat, Snickers, M&M's.
The best thing here, taste testing.
Of course, it's always this one, no? Oh, I love this Cadbury. Who wants Cadbury, guys? Ayan, no? We're gonna taste this one.
Try ko ito nila, Kit Kat.
So for this one, specifically this one, you get this 95 pesos for 4 pieces. Imagine that.
Same with Kit Kat nila. For 95 pesos, meron kang 4 na Kit Kat.
Ooh, I saw that one. You get to taste this one. Cadbury. Of course, guys, you can't go wrong kapag chocolate, no? So there are a lot more sample ng mga chocolates nila. They also have these are also popular, mga Hershey's Symphony.
So dito, if you're looking for a chocolate na syempre yung budget friendly, at the same time marami kang choices, actually hahanapin mo talaga yung Calilung's Chocolate House.
You can actually, you know, start your own business with this.
Yes.
So if you're looking to expand your kumbaga income, additional sideline, mga ganyan, be a reseller, no? Yung mga suki nila from Mabalacat or near the Clark area, mas lumapit po sila dito sa Malabanias branch nila. More tour, guys. This side naman, no? If you notice, these are very popular din, no? Mga big oven, mga super delight brownies, brownie bites, some brands din like this Coco, no? Ang dami nilang mga products dito. So these are oat coco, these are mga cheese curls, mga cheese balls, and where else can you get it? You also get it here this sa Calilung. More chocolates that your kids are gonna enjoy dito, mga Kinder Joy. So again, these are available sa mga supermarkets o sa mga 24-hour convenience store. But guys, pag dito mo binili to, for sure this is gonna be cheaper. So makakamura kayo, makakasave kayong pera ninyo, mas tipid.
Siyempre naman sa mga nagre-regalo ng mga chocolates, available din dito yung mga Cadburys nila na
parang free chocolate.
Yes. So ito yung almond nila. Anytime, makakakuha kayo dito sa Calilung's Chocolate House.
So once again guys, we would like to thank you for being with us in this video, and of course if you're interested to know more about Calilung Chocolate House, Make sure to comment your inquiries. We're gonna ask them to reply. Anything, no? So in terms of product availability, price, or leave them a message, no, sa fan page nila. It's gonna be flashing on your screens right now. Ayan. So guys, malapit na ang Pasko. Tuloy na tuloy pa rin ang Pasko. So pamimigay ng mga chocolates, mga regalo. Get here this sa Calilung Chocolate House.
So like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and syempre, visit Calilung's Chocolate House.
There you go, guys. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video.
Peace out.
Peace out, guys.